Referees for today, Ryan Bernardo, Eric De Mapanag, and Seb Pingol. Wherever they go, the players follow.
Kanina, si Chuck Taganas from Nueva Ecija, Pangasinan. Obviously, Coach Gerson from Nueva Ecija to Pangasinan. Sarangani opens up the first field goal, care of start.
Yeah. Here's Marilao.
Slow shot fake.
The one-hander is good. Danny Marilao looking very with a spring in his release.
Well, he seems to be a guy that just takes advantage of yung mga opportunities na binibigay sa kanya.
Ryan Sual.
10 teams, and then they jump to 22, I believe.
Yeah.
And then 26, and then 31 the most, and then pretty much all-around game niya from the 3, from the perimeter.
Alive, wala pa rin. Ubalde with another opportunity. Bacolod. Oh my. Fourth opportunity goes down para sa kay Nico Ubalde. And Ryan Sual.
Pinawi agad. Isang oportunidad lang para kay Sual.
Villarente, nice pass. It ends up as a basket para kay Jem Bulawan.
Pinawi yung miss pass break opportunity.
LA gets it back, fires a 3, that's good.
And that's what you like when dito na yan.
Masinilo gets it back. Pinilit, but he scores anyway.
Determined to make that shot that time. Strong cut and 10 points, rather.
10 of the 15. Ryan Sual.
Yeah. Larong ito.
Inside they go as Maclean Sabelina puts it in.
Oh, what a beauty and a nice cut by Sabelina.
Oh, Sual. Alam mo na papasok.
Good line eh, no? Good line eh. The former NU Bulldog.
Potado fires, yes. Grabe yung kumpiyansa sa Tristan team na to.
Kakapasok lang eh, no?
Cedillo with the rebound, ahead to Piramingan. Tricky. Bounce pass to JR Galit, and he puts it in for 2.
And I love the pace of this game.
For Bacolod 24, Sarangani 24. End of the first quarter scores brought to you by GameX. And on the run, Tricky.
Nice.
Nice trail job by JR Galit.
You gotta love the team game nitong Bacolod. Miss, same result.
Montana. Oh, what a block by Miles Cañal.
2-on-1.
Galit puts it in.
Nice. What a smart play by Galit. That was initiated on the defensive end by Canal. This is an in-your-face block right here. Terrific outlet. Look at this, Galit. He heard the way he was gonna pass the ball. Pero narinig niya yung pito. Continuation ang hinabol niya at chop zone. Itong Bacolod.
Sual. Baseline jumper. He knocks it down plus the foul.
Wow. Much needed basket by Sual. And you see that.
A 5-minute drought ended by Ryan Sual. Let's go to me.
Yung season sigurado ko si Delp, and if they win, marami siyang bonus na makikita. That's for sure.
Janjan Paschas. Oh, Bacolod, it's been their quarter so far.
Sarangani, karamihan ng mga tinitira nila sa labas eh. 4 of 15 from 3. 4. Kumpara naman sa Bacolod, 4 na attempt pa lang. Why? Because of plays like that.
Chas. Casinillo fires and hits.
Ayan ang diferensya. Pang-6 na attempt pa lang nila yun.
Alves. Labas kay Santa Ana. Jumper is good.
Steady jump.
Galicia gets the offensive rebound. Paschas short on the jumper. Galicia with another opportunity, and he stays patient.
See the changing defense, no? Talagang nadi-disrupt nila itong opensa, pero a bailout shot nonetheless. for Sarangani. 8.
For his outside shooting. But he knocks down the 3 there. Partosa, gusto bumawi. He does.
Bilis ng bawi na yun.
Nalang.
3-0.
And they're off to the races, Galicia.
Pinasabik lang tayo. Pinakitang bobuelo ng dunk.
Roque, short. Pass just quickly to Manalang.
3-on-1.
And Manalang scores.
But the 1 is behind.
The turnover, Solomon.
Nice pass on the other end.
Pass just, wala. Galicia inside.
And that has been the story of the second quarter, Sidel.
At the break. Halftime score is brought to you by GameX. Obalde with a rebound. McLean Sabelina puts it in.
At this point of the game, dapat may idea ka na sa mga tendencies ng pasa. At yun ang nakita natin ng first half. Ganun niya sinimula yung third quarter. Suwal, first three-pointer para sa quarter na ito.
Needs a little bit of daylight to fire the 3. Casinillo, oh, what a move.
I thought I heard a whistle.
Actually, akala ko maaagaw na yung bola. Oftana knocks down the jumper.
I just love players. Nice jumper by Oftana. I just love players tulad ng pinapakita ni Ika.
Suwal ahead to Santa Ana against Galit. Santa Ana puts it in.
This is a good timeout for Bacolod.
Marilao back to LA. Galit with a jumper. Yes.
You gotta love the high percentage shots. 2 coming up. Nice move.
Oh, what a pass! Yes! Oh, LA Casinillo led the break and Madayag drop pass to Destacamento. Destacamento with a turnaround shot. That's good. Naghihigpit na ng defense. That's short. Takbo ang Sarangani.
Ang bilis. Ang bilis tumakbo ni Madayag.
It's a turnover. Villarente gets it in for 2. Suwal. Madayag.
Tough shot.
Wow.
Wow.
Oftana. Villarente, too strong, has not found the
Guess
stroke.
who? Madayag. 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 Libre na.
Pass just to
That's a
Cañal.
foul too, yeah.
Of 3 quarters. End of the quarter scores brought to you by GameX, 66-56. Pero Mingan fires a 3. Wala. Pastas gets the rebound.
Wow.
And he puts it in.
I don't know what was better, the rebound or the shot. Pero yung tira, mabigat yun.
Lead is back up to 12. Oftana off balance shot.
Oh, now inbound yan sa baseline.
Villarente, jumper, yes.
Caught sleeping was the defense of Bacolod. Just one.
Pero Mingan, down the middle, the fadeaway,
Nice.
it's good.
Ang ganda ng pasensya ni Peromingan yun. Who gets the ball?
Madaya grabs the rebound. Out to Suwal, yes sir!
And that's what you like about long loose ball rebounds.
Passes to Marilao, here's Española. The runner, yes!
A good
5 on the shot clock, nice drop pass, Galicia. From
Gani that led to an easy drop pass.
Oh, Roque knocks down the 3, 6 points. Manakay Sacramento dun.
On a 3-on-2.
Casinillo. Oh, what a move. LA Casinillo.
Sual has to do a better job defensively on that play.
20 points now for LA. Villarente knocks down the three.
A steady looking jumper for Villarente. Earlier it was
Madayag to destacamento. Roque of Tana will fire and will hit. 80-77. Española, step back jumper, wala. Marilao with a putback. Lead is back up to 5. Madayag from way out. Yes, sir! It's a 2-point game. 16 points. He's holding on to the ball.
and he steps out of bounds. He steps out of bounds. Just a beautiful defensive possession.
Madayag, binabantay ni Piromingan. Lost it. Recovers. At ball tapped away by Galit. Or was it tapped away?
I don't think so. But I tell you, that was a good pass, I thought. Because he passed it to the open spot.
Piromingan.
Gusto pang gawin tatlong free throw.
Oo. Piromingan sinks the first.
Free throws, had 8 free throws in the first half. And he makes the second one. Interesting decision.
Rocket to inbound.
Wala na.
And that will do it.
Hindi sila nanalo, but in the second game, still led the team by scoring, but this time, getting the W.